What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a brand new NASCAR diecast unboxing of 10 plus brand new 164s. The newest shipment released was pretty big and had some really cool cars in it. So we're going to take a look one by one and get them on out right here, right now. Let's just go ahead and start here because we've got our first 2026 releases in this box. This is the Dollar Tree number 42, 2026 John Hunter Nemechek for Legacy Motor Club. So of course, diecast body and chassis. Going forward, all these will have, or all the 2026 cars will have that going on. And it's cool to get some 2026 cars before the Clash. I mean, as of me recording this video, the Clash hasn't happened yet. It's been moved back a few times. Should have happened by now, but has not and will not until Wednesday of this week, as I'm recording. But next up, we've got a Ty Gibbs number 54. This is the Sonic Grillo's Pickles from the 2025 season. Really cool to get a Ty Gibbs car. Of course, we can't really get the Monster Energy cars, so cool to get something from Ty Gibbs. Got to see this car race, actually, in Atlanta. So that was kind of cool. I liked seeing this car. I got a picture or two of it I could put up on the screen. But that's the next one out of the box. Next up, Michael McDowell's number 71 for Spire. This is the DePaul Blue Demons 2025 Chevrolet number 71 for McDowell there. Next up, let's see what I can find. Okay, so we've got another 2026. This is Jimmy Johnson's number 84 Carvana Toyota for the 2026 season, for however many races he might end up running this bad boy. So the 2026 cars looks like it's the Legacy lineup. Next out of the box, we've got Zane Smith number 38 Beanbone, I'll say. I don't know what it is, but I'll go with Beanbone. Ford Mustang for the 2025 season. So really cool to get a front row car. Zane Smith. Cool to get a Zane Smith Cup car. Next up, brought this out on purpose because I saw it coming up next. His teammate, Todd Gilliland, Grillo's Pickles, pickle car. Same pickles that's on the Ty Gibbs from Sonic. So, two front row cars, the teammates for the front row Mustangs. Both of them really cool. Excited to get these. So really cool. Moving right along, we've got a raced versions coming up. This is Daniel Suarez number 9 Quaker State Mexico City win for his Xfinity win. And this was the backup car. So not the paint scheme that it was supposed to be, but pretty cool to win in a backup car with no real wrap to it, just the sponsors' logos. So cool to get that. Okay. About halfway through the box here, we've got William Byron's number 24 All-Pro Chevrolet from the 2025 season. So super cool to get that. I think they're joining him again for this season to sponsor some races. Okay, next up, got another race-winning Xfinity car here. This is the number 9 Shane Van Gisbergen Chicago win which, of course, since he's out front most of the time on those road course, street course races, pretty clean looking, just from what I can tell, pretty clean looking race winning car until you get it out and take a real look at it. But I love this scheme anyway. Got the clean version a few weeks ago, so race winning, even cooler. Next up, Kyle Busch. Scenic Tools Chevrolet from 2025. Next, Ross Chastain Busch Light Farming #1 car for the 2025 season. So that's a pretty cool one, of course. Busch Light never misses, as I've said on the channel before. Every scheme that comes to the track is gorgeous. No exception here. Really getting down to it now. I think I've got 2 left in the box. Another 2026 coming through. Eric Jones, number 43, Advent Health. 2026 Toyota for Legacy. So, as I said, looks like Legacy's getting the early releases here for 2026 before the season even starts. Because we've got 3 of them boys in this one. The boss himself, Jimmy Johnson, the John Hunter Nemechek Dollar Tree, and then Eric Jones Advent Health. So there you go. And there's one more in the box. Another Xfinity Series race winning car. This is Connor Zilisch, Indy win. So it is Brickyard, Indianapolis win. When he was going on a tear, finishing top 1, 2, 3 every single week, including like winning a billion races. And then couldn't come home with the trophy in Phoenix. But that's just how the format goes. Not anymore, though. The chase is back. But anyway, that was the last car out of the box. So let me get them all back one more time, as I do. And as always, like the video, leave a comment on which car you liked the best from the video, or before the season starts, pick out your favorite driver, pick which race you might go to, which race you're looking forward to, the champion you think who could win the chase, just whatever you're looking forward to in 2026. Because NASCAR's back this week, and we cannot wait to get cars on track. But if you want to go with the easy route, just leave a comment on which car you like the best from this video. And subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out.